our the staff of Plan Academy and my dear friends. First of all, very charming good morning to all of you. My name is Drishti on behalf of class 4 who is standing here to command this assembly class. Attention! Attention! You know me, no player is the link between God and us. So now I would like to call my friends for a prayer.
that your life is made up of your thoughts only. I repeat my thought once again. Your life is made up of your thoughts only. हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ माई थॉट इज आपका विचार, आपका जीवन सिर्फ आपके विचारों से ही बनता है. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.
Senior for article.
Good morning to Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the worthy teachers and my dear friends. This is me Kavya Khitwal on behalf of class 10th, once again here to present article, and my today's article topic is westernization. So basically westernization can be described as Paschimikaran. Westernization is a process whereby society comes under and adopts Western culture in the areas of law, politics, lifestyle, culture and values. It has influenced our society a lot. But how we became so westernized? Isn't it the point to think? So today we will discuss how we became so obsessed with the Western culture. So basically the people who are more influenced with westernization is we, the youngsters. Nowadays, showing Western culture in every aspect of life has become a fashion. Especially wearing Western clothes has become a trend among the Indian youths, without which people are considered as outdated. As we can self-realize that our traditional dress was dhoti and sari, but now we are standing in some corner of the world wearing t-shirts and pants. English is given more preferences in the jobs and in the education and many more other things. Behind all these conditions there is a reason, that is the wrong history. By the means of wrong history, I mean that we are only taught about the invaders who invaded our country. The history that we read only just tells about the outer invaders. For example, जैसा कि बचपन से हम हिस्ट्री में यही पढ़ रहे हैं कि हुमायूं का बेटा कौन है, अकबर का बेटा कौन है या जहांगीर कौन है. पर क्या आपने आज तक कोई ऐसा चैप्टर देखा जो सिर्फ छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज पे बेस्ड हो, या फिर ऐसा कोई जो सिर्फ महाराणा प्रताप के बारे में हमने डीपली पढ़ा हो? नो, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट टॉट अबाउट देम. वी आर नॉट told about the contributions of the Indian peoples. And some so-called peoples are expecting from us that we should know about them and we should connect towards our culture. How would be this possible in such a way? Now there are some names like Bodhayana, Nagarjuna, Aryabhatta, Brahmagupta. Many of us you would be confused that what was that? These are the names of those great personalities whose contributions had been hidden from us. The Pythagoras theorem we read was already discovered by the Bodhayana, and the first surgery was also taken place by the Indian person named as Sushruta. He is also considered as the father of surgery. And also the Brahmagupta has already given the concept of negative numbers. But do we know about them? No, because no one told about their contributions, their work. We just only know the outer Western peoples. And now there are some people too who will prefer that westernization. They are saying that because of westernization only, Sati Pratha and child marriage was banned. But one should have proper knowledge that these things never existed in our society. If you would see Hindu Purans, you would find no description about these topics there. These things were only brought by the Mughals when they came and invaded our country. But the people are not understanding it. And we are told that the Western people has made us civilized. Same in case of education, the Macaulay system. We are told that because of him only we got this much good education. But the reality was different. He introduced this to know about the Western values and ideas. But the Indian people was thinking that he is working for our country and thinking for our society. But beside of all these things, the Indian people are not understanding this dark reality. So at last, from this article, I just want to conclude that it is okay to be modern, but there is a lot of difference between modernization and westernization. You should follow modern ideas from westernization, not its western culture. So follow modernization and don't forget your roots. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Time for Ask Kusum Jigyasi. The journey of 1,000 miles began with a single step. With this wonderful quotation on labor channels, I respected Kisan, all hardworking teachers of Hussain Academy and my dear friends. First of all, good morning to all of you. This is me, Kishar Shekhar from class 4. Today I am standing here to ask you some GK question, and my GK question topic is industrial chemical name. My first question is, what is the chemical name of Alan? Give it your answer. Yes, you answered correct. The correct answer is aluminium sulfate. My next question is, what is the chemical name of bleaching powder? Chemical name. The correct answer is calcium hypochlorite. My next question is, what is the chemical name of borax? The correct answer is sodium borate. My next question is, what is the chemical name of washing soda? Repeat your question. No, your answer is wrong. The correct answer is sodium carbonate tetrahydrate. My next question is, what is the chemical name of laughing gas?
Laughing gas.
Yes, answer is correct. The correct answer is nitrous oxide. My next question is, what is the chemical name of quicklime? Yes, answer is correct. The correct answer is calcium oxide. My next question is, what is the chemical name of gypsum? No, answer is wrong. The correct answer is calcium sulfate dihydrate. My next question is, what is the chemical name of chloroform?
Chloroform. Very common.
The correct answer is trichloromethane. My next question is, what is the chemical name of baking soda? Yes, you answered correct. The correct answer is sodium bicarbonate. Thank you. Have a nice day. Rising star for prayer.
फिर जैसे उनके घर देखो बच्चों उन